वही विनर नहीं हो सकता, बल्कि जो आकर compete करेगा ना, participate करेगा, वो एक दिन विनर पक्का बनेगा. That's why please all of you be ready and come on the stage and do yourself, do your best and in a great way exactly. Even our one right thumb does not match to in the whole world exactly into the 8 billion people, among the 8 billion people. So why our skills can be copied here? No, your topics can be same, your all the points can be same. But the way of speaking, the way of elaborating, the way of stating, the way of uttering, the way of explanation, the way of divulging, the way of telling, it will be totally different. That's why all of you please, no problem, don't worry about them exactly. Now it is time to do something great and fantastic all of you. And for doing anything exactly, we have, and we must have energy. हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? Energy. क्या होना चाहिए? Energy. क्या होना चाहिए? Energy. We should have. Energy. We should have. Energy. We should have. Energy. Because let me tell you the power of energy exactly. If you just talk about the physics, physics is the just fundamental and the basic of only energy. Only energy, just energy. If you just learn, if you want to do something great, something class apart, something out of the box, something great, something fascinating, just you need. Are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
Are you energetic, girls?
Yes, sir.
Let's see that. Girls तेज बोलती हैं, लड़के बोलते हैं. Please, are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
Are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
Are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
Oh, ऐसे नहीं बोली. Yes, I am energetic.
Yes, sir.
Region say yes, I am energetic.
Yes, sir.
I am energetic.
I am energetic.
Wow, everybody, it's a great, actually fast. Let me tell you one and most important thing is exactly this time. Now, as we know that the Chandrayaan 3 is going to the Chanda Mama, we have the source of energy exactly. Now, our soul is just energy exactly. हमारी जो soul है ना, ये भी क्या है? एक energy है. पूरी physics इस पे टिकी हुई है, क्या है? Energy. E is equal to mc square by Einstein. What is this? Energy. Everybody, you are walking here because of energy. कोई भी काम होता है because of energy. कोई व्हीकल चल रही है because of energy. आप चल रहे हो because of energy. कोई टीम बिल्ड हो रही है because of energy. People are just growing very fast because of energy. People are just fighting energy. We are just facing the problems and we are just defeating the problems just because of energy. Our Indian army is just killing all the enemies because of energy. Just we are ready to compete because of energy. This is the light in the class because of energy. And in this time exactly everybody is feeling energy. And we are going to win the first, second, third, fifth till the 10th because of energy. And I hope that you got the point about energy.